Guys, what's up and good morning. Oh my gosh, I look like trash right now, but it looks like I just got out of bed. I didn't. It's like 10:30. I woke up at like 8:30ish, and I had a donut and some watermelon for breakfast. And today, all day, all I've been doing is playing Bloxburg. So that's pretty much all I've been doing. I don't know what I'm gonna do today, what's gonna be exciting for this vlog, but I'm sure you can tell by the title. But yeah, that's what I've been doing, and I thought I would check in with you guys.
Okay guys, so I just woke up and happy Father's Day. You'll see this the next day, but today is Father's Day and I'm gonna go to my grandpa's house and and then I'm gonna come back home, and then later on in the day I will go to my cousin's house. So yeah, that is my day. Okay guys, so I'm still sitting here. It's like 7. My dad woke me up early because we were going to my grandma's house and we are still going. That was so cute. Okay y'all, so I got dressed and this is literally the most horrible lighting I've ever seen. Let's see if this view is any different. Okay, it's kind of different, I don't know. Well, this is my shirt. It's an Abercrombie & Fitch shirt. You can't even see it, oh my gosh. And just these shorts, nothing too fancy. And yeah, outfit of the day. Okay guys, so it is later now. It is 9:35. I just got back from my cousin's. We had grilled out and we made this slip and slide with like baby shampoo and water, and it was actually pretty fun. And yeah, so they live like out in the country. I'm realizing I am wearing the same exact shirt, but it's okay. That's all I did today. Today wasn't anything special. Well, it was Father's Day, but never mind. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on them post notifications because we love you. Good night.
Hey guys, what's up? It's much later now. I haven't vlogged like all day except for this morning and the blueberry muffins. Today was Father's Day. I couldn't really vlog. I was just kind of spending time with my family, and we had dinner. At my house, we had steaks. I didn't have steak because I don't eat meat, but I had some pasta, and then I had salad and stuff like that, and it was really good actually. So we all had dinner, and then after that, everybody had angel food cake, and I had some ice cream. But yeah, that's what we kind of did. My grandma and grandpa came over, and that's what we did for Father's Day. Right now, it's 10:55, or it's like 11. I don't know what time it is right now. But I'm about to go to bed because I don't want to sleep in all day tomorrow. And yeah, tomorrow I start CrossFit, which is like so exciting. It's kids CrossFit. Even though I'm 14, and the kids CrossFit only goes to age 13. I don't want to be an adult CrossFit because that'd be too intense. So I'm doing kids CrossFit with my friend London, and I don't know if I'll be able to vlog that, but I'll vlog me getting ready tomorrow. So yeah, that's what's going on tomorrow, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and now I feel like I'm just rambling, so I'm gonna say bye. Bye.